These soft and delicious coconut ladoos are a perfect treat for the festive season. Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. To a heavy bottom pot on very low heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, or as it's commonly called, Desi Ghee. And once it has melted, we're going to add 3 3/4 cup of desiccated coconut. And you want to use a really fine desiccated coconut when making coconut ladoos. Now we're going to give it a mix and allow the coconut to roast on a very low heat till it has absorbed all the ghee. To hydrate the coconut, we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of full fat milk. And now we're going to continue cooking it on a low heat till the coconut starts absorbing the milk. After about 2 or 3 minutes, you'll find that the mixture has thickened. Now it's time to add in the sugar. So we're going to go in with 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Normally, you can add in equal proportion of sugar to milk, but I like to add just a little less. Now we're going to turn up the heat to medium-low and continue stirring the mixture. You'll find that the mixture will start thinning out. That's because the water in the sugar has released. And after about 3 to 4 minutes, it'll start thickening up once again. We're going to reduce the heat to low and add in my secret ingredient. For a little bit more decadence, I like to add 1 cup of milk powder. Now this is totally optional, but once you taste these ladoos, it'll be a must-add ingredient. And we're going to keep stirring it till the mixture thickens and begins to leave the sides and the bottom of the pan. This should take approximately 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's time to take it off the heat and transfer it into a plate. And we're going to allow it to cool completely before we start making the ladoos. You'll find that the mixture will thicken even more once it's cooled. In a bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, and using a teaspoon as our measure, we're going to scoop out just a little bit of the mixture. Now we're going to roll it between the palms of our hands till we get a round ball. Now we're going to toss into the bowl with the desiccated coconut and give it a swirl around so that it gets coated on all sides with the coconut. We're going to continue making the ladoos till we finish with the mixture. When making the ladoos, you could even add in a nut in the center, and that would be a real pleasant surprise. These coconut ladoos are a favorite in my house. Trust me, they disappear faster than it takes to make them. This is such a quick and easy way to impress your guests during the festive season. It barely takes about 10 minutes to make these ladoos. Oh my goodness! Look at that! And now it's time to give the coconut ladoos a taste. Wow! Can you see that? Beautiful. It reminds me of something like a snowball too. Wow, these coconut ladoos are absolutely delicious. And that milk powder that we added has given it tons of flavor. I'm telling you, if you give this recipe a try, you're definitely going to enjoy it. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.